My name's Kushi, and my science fair project is making a battery. And before we move on any further, I would like to tell you what a battery is and what it does in our everyday lives. A battery is a device that stores electric energy, and it is used to power many things. Some things that it powers is toy cars, clocks, watches, and devices like that. It also powers many cars, but Tesla car runs completely on electric energy. And so electric energy is generated when electrons move in a circuit. This movement is called a current. We need two main things to make the current going. We need conductor and electrolyte. One of the conductors, which is called as the negative terminal, when it comes in touch with electrolyte, it releases electrons. And the other one, which is called as the positive terminal, it receives electrons. So electrons move from negative to positive, and this is a current. Our hypothesis was, yes, we can make a potato battery, but it will have very little voltage and will die out completely. Well, let's experiment to see if this hypothesis is correct. We need 2 potatoes and we need to cut them in half to make 4 pieces. It has an acid in it that is a substance for electrolyte. We need a voltmeter and we need a lead bulb. We need 4 zinc, which works as negative terminals, and it releases electrons. And we need 4 copper pennies, and we chose these 2 because they work more nicely than other conductors, and so we chose both of them. We need a X-Acto knife to cut and make slits. And we need alligator clips to connect to make a circuit and to make the lead bulb work. So let's get started. Lay the potatoes in a semicircle like this and place the zinc, which is the negative, on each left-hand side. And make sure that no zinc is shown on below because it does not work properly. And then we're going to put the copper and put the copper in 80% inside, so only 20% is shown outside. So these 2 conductors help the current flow. And now we are going to attach these with alligator clips. So make sure that the zinc is facing the copper like this. And so attach the copper with the zinc and continue so on. You need about 6 alligator clips for this experiment. And so as you see, I left the zinc and the copper untouched for now, because now we're going to see if it works, like how much we produced. So we're going to put 2 alligator clips one on the zinc and one on the copper. And do not connect them yet. We're going to take the voltmeter and we're going to attach it. Make sure that the negative goes with the negative and the positive goes with positive. I'm going to turn this on. And as you see, we have 6.8 volts. And that's a lot. So I think it's good enough to glow the lead bulb. And so before we glow the lead bulb, you will not be able to see it in such light. So you want to turn off the light so that you can see it properly. And again, like the voltmeter, the negative with the negative and the positive with the positive. And so you can't really see it, but and so the lead bulb is glowing, as you see, and I am very excited because it worked. And it's very bright light because we have a lot. And so if we put more potatoes, it could be brighter, but this is good. So I hope you liked our experiment, and it was very fascinating, and I chose it in the science fair because I thought I liked reading about electricity and electrons. I like learning about stuff that we use in our daily lives. And so I hope you liked this video, and please write comments below if you have any questions. So bye.